So we will see the sorting techniques now. Now we will see what is a selection sort. Selection sort is a technique to arrange the elements in an order. So let me say one example here. This is an array are the elements which is not in an order. I want to arrange these elements in an order. Let me say I want to arrange these elements in an ascending order. So if this is the input, what should be the output means? 4, 11, 14. So I am expecting this output. So this is the input. I want to get an output 1, 3, 4, 11, 5. This is an order. Which order means? Ascending order. So how I want to achieve this output? By using the selection sort. So what is the mechanism of selection sort means? First you distribute the array in 2 arrays. This one is the sorted and this one is the unsorted. Now unsorted has the elements like 40, 11, 4, 1, 3, 14. This is the elements we are having in the unsorted array. So this is a sorted array. So first step is to divide the array into 2 parts. One is the sorted array, other one is the unsorted array. Second part is take the minimum value. Find the minimum value where in unsorted array. In unsorted array, find the minimum value. So what is the minimum value in the unsorted array? 1 is the minimum value. So 1 is the minimum value. And after finding the minimum value in unsorted array, place in the sorted array. So now in the sorted array, what are the elements we have? 1. I have placed in the sorted array. I have identified the minimum value and I place that value in the sorted array. So now how many elements are here now? I am having 11, 4, 3 and 14 because one element is in the sorted element. So now repeat the same step 2. What is the step 2 now? Find the minimum value in the unsorted array. So what is the minimum value now? 3. So here 1 and I placed here 3. Then place in a sorted element. So 1 place here. Next, what are the remaining elements in the sorted element? 11, 4, 14. So now what is the minimum value in here? 4. Now place in the sorted array. So 1, 3, 4. Now what is the remaining element? 11 and 14. So 11 and 14 are the remaining elements. So what is the minimum value here? 11. So arrange in the sorted array. So what is the element we left? 14. So arrange in the sorted array. So 14. So this is the sorted array. So this is how we can able to perform the sorting technique. By using the sorting technique, we have identified the elements of selection sort in an ascending order. Let me say one more example to finalize this selection sort. So we are seeing the one more example of after discussing this example 2, I will take the questions. So example 2 of selection sort. Example 2. Now I am taking the elements like 12, 8, 4, 1, 16. This is the elements I have in an unsorted array. So I want this is the input. What output I am expecting? 1, 4, 8, 12, 16. This is the output I am expecting. This is the output. So how I need to get this output? By using the selection sort. So what is the first step in the selection sort? Divide the array into two parts. One is the sorted array and other one is the unsorted array. So this is the sorted and this is the unsorted. So unsorted consists of elements like 12, 8, 4, 1 and 16. So now what is my second step? Find the minimum value. Find minimum value where in unsorted array. So minimum value is 1. After finding the minimum value, you place that minimum value in the sorted array 1. Done. Now repeat the step 2 again. Now what are the elements left in unsorted array? 12, 8, 4 and 16. Minimum value is 4. Arrange 4 in the sorted array. So what are the steps left in the here? 12, 8, 16. Again find the minimum value. Minimum value is 8. So arrange this 8 in the sorted array. What are the elements left? 12 and 16. So what are the minimum value? 12. So arrange 12 in the sorted array. So what is the element left? 16. Arrange the element in the sorted array. Now the sorted element is sorted array has the elements in the desired output. This is the selection sort. By using the selection sort, we have arranged the element in an ascending order.